However, before the little ones come on stage, we have their teacher, Amitabh Banerjee, coming to regale us a little bit about Sir. After spending a few years in the corporate world, Amitabh Banerjee transitioned to a career in music, obviously showing how much of love he had for music. He completed grade 8 in violin from ABRSM, London, and earned a Shongit Bisharod in Hindustani classical music. With over 20 years of experience teaching music, including working in various schools across the city, he's deeply passionate about nurturing students' musical talents. He looks forward to continuing this fulfilling journey of teaching for many more years to come. Accompanying him will be pianist Shamriddhi Mukherjee, tabla player Shonjib Pal, and octopad player Shonjib Kumar Pahon. A warm welcome. Superb, superb. A bigger round of applause for Sir, please. I believe I will be handing over the microphone to Omolika now, who will take over for the younger ones to perform.
Good evening once again. We are guided by the principles of the Mother and Sri Aurobindo in every walk of life. Music, after all, is one of the purest ways to achieve spiritual bliss. In the words of the Mother, the role of music lies in helping the consciousness uplift itself towards the greater spiritual heights. Our dear students will invoke the divine grace by playing the prayer song, Standing at Thy Altar, O our Lord Supreme. The multifaceted cultural icon, Koviguru Rabindranath Tagore, stands as the cornerstone of Bengali culture. His legacy continues in the hearts of every artist, be it in the field of literature, music, or the fine arts. We present his composition, Amra Shobai Raja, as an auspicious start to this evening's first performance. first songs of humankind were likely in response to the trill of the birds. Spring brings forth blossom and bird song. The world fills with the harmony of new beginnings and hope. In his composition Four Seasons, the renowned Italian composer Antonio Vivaldi creates musical magic around this very element of promise and plenty. Presenting the Four Seasons Spring. Little needs to be said about the songs of Hemant Kumar or the legendary Hemanto Mukhopadhyay. His melodies persevere as favorites to this day. His songs have a soothing quality, often accompanied by his gentle voice. He was greatly celebrated by his contemporaries and remains adored by the music connoisseurs. Here's presenting his award-winning song, Bekaraar Karke Hame Yu Na Jaiye. Ludwig van Beethoven is almost synonymous with Western classical music. The works of the prolific German composer are one of the most played of classical music to this day. His body of work includes more than 700 pieces over a period of 45 years. Such was his gift in music that he continued to compose while putting forth a heroic struggle against encroaching deafness in the later years of his life. Now performing Sonatina in G major, Romance. From 18th century Europe, let us move to the glittering Americas of the 1950s. Jingle Bell Rock, first released by Bobby Hems, is a catchy extension of the traditional festive Christmas carol. The uplifting rock tune is an unusual detour from the religious associations of its namesake, but remains as popular in the United States as its original. closing performance, we present the Hindustani classical evening rag, Pilu, with alap, mukra, tan and jhala. This pleasant rag represents a mix of hope, joy, as well as heartbreak. The mastery of this rag lies in evoking these contrasting emotions and calls for the most delicate handling. Let us enjoy ourselves as our students play along. have come to the end of today's program. Hope you have enjoyed the violin concert. We thank you all for coming and wish you a very happy evening ahead. Thank you.
First of all, thank you to all of you, each one of you, and thank you to all who were on stage earlier today, this evening. So we can't thank at the end of every performance. So while thanking you, I am taking the liberty of thanking everyone who preceded you this evening. And I'd particularly like to thank Deb Mallo, Roy Chaudhary, Amitabh Banerjee, and Rig Gupta and Theo Rig Gupta in Western Vocals. So basically, they've trained you so well. The rehearsals were so good. The whole evening was so lyrically full and enchanting, mesmerizing. One would almost imagine we were spending a beautiful moonlit night with no electricity around. All right? It's been mesmerizing. Thank you. These children deserve a very loud round of applause. Thank you very much. Wonderful. Thank you, sir. Please wait. There are a few more thank yous to come.
Please,
and my dear colleague and confidant, Moushumi, will tell you all that I've forgotten.
You don't forget. You've given the cream. Let me give the rest of the cake. A program of this kind cannot be so successful without, of course, the blessings of the Mother and Sri Aurobindo. So I begin there. After that, Principal Sir and Shumitra Ma'am for being the captains. And after that, I go to Shuchandra Ma'am, our go-to person for every trouble. She sorts them out. Two wonderful ladies, Chumki Mitra Ma'am, who is the coordinator of CSA. I would like to hear the applauses. Why, yes. Continuous applauses, please. And Pompa Ma'am, who has been helping her with their tireless, continuous efforts. These programs come to fruition. Thanking all the mentors, the teachers. Actually, it's a huge departmental job. You see over here Shubham Sir, Piali Ma'am, Dutiman Sir, who've done the CGI. You have seen the light and the sound, what it takes. Outhouse, Manush and Bapida, who have taken care of the light and sound. In-house, Shubhasda and his boys, Biplab, Deepak and Ranajit. We have Kollan and his staff, especially Omyo and Deepak and Shonju, who's helped in decorating the stage. We had back office staff, Dola Ma'am, Susan, Shamrat, Taposh. These people have been working throughout the year. And for every little thing, it's them. One tinsel, go run to Taposh. One little thing, go run to that person. It takes everybody to put this together. So big round of applause for everybody. The kitchen, the security, every person. I'm very, very sorry if I'm leaving anybody out. I hope I am not. Chumki Ma'am, if you're there, please come over here. And to take a... Where are you? Chumki Ma'am? You need to be here, please. Marvin Sir, Satya Sir and the sports department who do such a marvelous job of monitoring everything. Marvin Sir in charge of discipline. For every little problem, I call him and ask him to tackle it. Please, everybody. And here is Chumki Ma'am, who really, certainly, pretty as she is, and talented. Okay, so this has been a very, very wonderful evening. Please be there for all the shows. We will have Shakti Center on the 14th, which is tomorrow, right? Yes, 14th is tomorrow. We have things going on every single day. And do come for Western Vocals and Expressions. That is led by me, taking place in the Hall of Light on the 17th. I'm being a little selfish, but I want all of you to be there for all the children, for all the functions, especially 1 and 2. Arun Nursery School, little children, how much hard work and how much you will just Gallery La Mer, the exhibition that is going on. Do visit the.
It's going to start. Come on, it's not going on right now. It's going to start in a couple of days.
Okay, so sorry. It's going to start in a couple of days. And do visit the stalls, especially the curated stuff at Sasha and our wonderful kitchen. Really wonderful, healthy, scrumptious food. You won't get everywhere. So please partake of that and satisfy.
Puchka with mineral water.
Yes.
That's my parting.
Making sure that the fuchka wala washes his hand and does. And that is monitored also. Okay, so please. Have a great evening, parents, and do come back. Keep coming back. Without you, our programs would not be so successful. Lovely to have you here. God bless.